About 30 hours ago, I put out a tweet that I would buy the biggest losers of the day instead of the winners. I never really buy the biggest winners, but the point is that if you're buying the losers, you got a better chance, if they're valuable, if they're decent tokens, that they will actually perform better short term the next day and the next day after that, because they're already down. Now, these obviously I picked them off Coinbase, so Coinbase already vets somewhat the coin, so you're not buying the biggest loser, the trashiest coin, because overall what they only have like 50 coins on the main Coinbase system. I think they have over 100 on Coinbase Pro, but it's the main Coinbase we're looking at. So anyway, I bought Atom, I bought Spell, and I bought DESO Social. So these are three decent coins. Well, Spell, I don't really know a lot about them. I think it's a lending platform token. Anyway, bought Atom at 32, ended up 8% within 30 hours, up 8%. Spell ended up 3% up because I bought it at 0.0115 and now at 0.01238. Anyway, about 3% up. DESO Social, I bought it at 59, ended up 4% up in 30 hours. Now, looking at this only one, I'm going to keep on doing this from time to time to keep you guys kind of updated. So if you do this, isolated in one instance, it doesn't really mean anything. However, there is a method to the madness. The main point is that you shouldn't focus so much on the movers and the positive, things that are going up 30%, 25%. And this is the focus, I've been this for years. It's hard to ignore those. When you see something go up 50% a day, it gets your attention, but should you be buying that token because it went up 50%? No. If anything, you should wait until it falls, just like with crypto, just like with stocks, just like with anything. Anyway, that's my point. I'm going to keep on following these. I'm going to keep out giving out my picks. Like I said, I put Spell, which is one I didn't know, but Atom was down like 7%. Spell was down a good 6%. And they were the biggest losers of the day, so I dropped those. I knew that they were going to do well. DESO has a lot of attention around it. I think Superman did a video about it. Everybody's kind of talking about DESO. Do I love DESO? Insomma. It's okay, but if something's popular, it'll probably do well short term. So the point is, I'm going to keep on giving you my picks daily based on the daily losers and which ones I think are going to perform the next day. Now, you got to keep in mind, if the entire market is down, which a lot of people don't correlate, but tech is usually down too. Obviously, this is not going to work, but most of the time, I do the same thing in the stock market. Every week when I'm buying my coins, like I have a portfolio of 5-6 stocks that I buy, I don't buy equally into each one. Whoever lost the most the day before, I think I buy on Thursday, right? So whoever lost the most the day before, that's the one I pick. So if Etsy is down 5% the day before, then that's the one I buy. If it's Shopify that's down, then that's the one I buy. And that's kind of how it goes. And it usually pans out in my favor. Like I said, buying every week, steady, or every 2 weeks, and just going at it steady is going to win in the long run. Like I said, I started this in 2016, investing in crypto. And these ups and downs have happened over and over and over again. I don't know how many times it has to happen before you convince yourself that this is really the future and it's the biggest investment opportunity of our lives. All you have to do is to keep investing. Do not look at price. There's a saying in the market that says the hardest thing to do as an investor is to do nothing. And that is the key. That's more important than all of the research and the picks and all this other stuff. It's your ability to just do nothing. Because all of this information and things you're getting bombarded with on a daily basis make you want to do things that ultimately are going to be detrimental to your financial well-being. You just need to stick with your guns. You made a decision, and I know stuff you maybe didn't make a very informed decision. A lot of us have been in this for so long. We know that the outcome is, it might as well be guaranteed. I'm pretty much putting my life on it. So I know it's going to go up. I know if it falls and if it dips, I'm going to keep on buying, and I'm just going to keep on going at it. And in the end, it's going to bear the fruit of the labor, or however you say it. It already has for me. But again, over the years, I have made all of the mistakes an investor could make. I've sold high, I've bought low. Well, I've bought high, sold low. I've reinvested in real estate and done other things that have not performed as well, even though recently real estate did okay. So I'm telling you, just keep buying. And I will start covering picks again, and we'll start getting involved. I'm buying every single week. I'm buying the same stuff. I think I've mentioned that in a previous video. CRO, Sol, Atom are my favorite coins right now, and I'm buying them every week, and I'm going to keep on expanding because it's true. Now that crypto's at 49, 50 grand per coin, the idea of 10xing is becoming more and more difficult to visualize. because so many more people involved. I still think 10x within 2 years is absolutely possible. But if you're really looking to make money, it is in these small cap coins. But again, it's using the same strategy, is picking a coin and sticking with it long term. And if you do that, you're going to be successful. So I think that's all I wanted to really cover for today. I got to get back to work. I got a couple of e-commerce brands that I run on a daily basis. And, I also do investment in the traditional stock market. And I tell you, I wish I had invested more in crypto, but I did diversify a little bit into the stock market. Again, because I doubted myself. But this time, there's no more doubts. I am going 100% into crypto. And I'm not going to relent no matter how low it goes. If it goes to 5,000 per coin in BTC, I'm still buying. What about you? What are you doing? Thank you guys for watching. As always, buy red. And then don't sell green, but buy red. Resist the impulse to follow the big movers of the day. Thank you.